How to remove powered by Shopify from your store footer. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up any browser you have, then navigate to your Shopify admin page. Once you do that, click on the three lines at the top left of the screen, and from the sales channels, click on your store and choose theme. Once you're here, you need to scroll down to the current theme section, and from there click on the actions drop down, then click on edit languages. Using the search bar, search for powered by. Scroll down to links as you can see here. Click on the text field, the powered by Shopify text field, and here you will have three options. You can either write a space or add a zero with joiner emoji, which is the blank emoji, the transparent emoji, or you can literally type in whatever you want right here. So it will appear instead of powered by Shopify. And once you do that, I added space. Click on the save button at the top right of the screen and it will be saved. So that was it for this video. That's how you can delete powered by Shopify from the store footer. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.